My name is Zied Ghazouani. I am the Europe, Middle East, and Africa head of business line oil and mining and oil services for Clariant. My role is basically heading the entire sales team as well as the technical center of Europe, Middle East, and Africa in the region. I'm basically currently based in Dubai. Clariant is a global producer of chemical companies, and as part of the growth strategy of Clariant, we have innovation and also based on digital. We are changing the digital end-to-end to the customer. And digital is actually in several sections of our innovation process and operation process. So, for example, we have this high throughput experimenting labs that allow a quick formulation of chemicals and a quick response to our customers with the right technical solution, as well as we have in our production and operation SAP and ERP system that allows linking the customer needs with our operation and on time and in full delivery of our processes. And thirdly, we have some digital solution that we go on site with the customer, like ChemVision, which is a digital solution that integrates customer data and manages the chemicals dosage, chemicals needs, and is in line also with our supply process to have a smooth operation. The SAP and ERP also was demonstrated its needs, especially in a crisis period. For example, when the COVID outbreak, we have been able to deliver all our contractual supply to our customers with this regards. Actually, the trend in the oil and gas is a high throughput. Everything is a big size in the oil and gas industry. However, the oil and gas industry was quite conservative with regards to adopting the digitalization. This being said, it's now a global trend to have digital everywhere, be it with the new employees employed by the national oil companies or the international oil companies, or even the suppliers from our side, but also because digital, if you use it very well, it brings a full range of efficiency, additional efficiency of operation, and then which is translated as additional throughput, additional profitability, but also the efficiency of operation is also linked with environmental impact, sustainability. Now it is a must. We see it more and more from our customers, the move to digital requirement, as well as the move to sustainability. The 3D program is one of them for the sustainability. The challenges I see in the oil and gas is in order to have a good usage of digital in operation, you need to have all the equipments talking together, connected together. So when you have new facilities versus old facilities of 25, 30 years old, sometimes the implementation of, for example, Internet of Things or new equipment that is producing a lot of digital data would be, because it was changed and the new generation would be disconnected from the rest of it. So in order to have the best efficiency of the entire operation, not have just one section of the operation benefit from it, while the main task is to have a fully efficient thing, we need to work on first the quality of the data. There's a huge amount of data produced in our operation, but also the interconnection between the equipments. And with the aging assets or with the difference in maintenance cycles, sometimes I see we need to. That's not there. That is there, but it needs more attention in the quality and the integrity of the data. Circular economy is existing everywhere and it's required everywhere, but also in the oil and chemicals production, there are some new regulations. For example, in the US for the co-generated methane with the gas of extraction. This is now by government laws, but also in some other areas, the laws are not there, but we are proactively helping in that. The industry is going for carbon capture and sequestration to re-inject in the wells, for example. Also recycling of the plastics or the tires of the trucks and to put it back into the system, as well as we work on CO2 emissions and the global emissions by either renewable components of the chemicals, as well as getting some small changes in the composition of the used chemicals. For example, in the D3 program, one of them is densify by providing the same performance at a far lower volume of the chemicals. You are by definition moving less chemicals for the same output, and this is by itself is HSE because less crane works, less truck drives, and less also carbon emission from these assets themselves, but also once on site, being it mixed with water or recycled solvents is by itself is a recycling and additional carbon emission avoidance.